Hello, welcome to this video about choosing the right basic IT concept for your smart home. There are three different categories. The simplest one is to use an app, sometimes from the manufacturer, sometimes another app integrating different brands, which comes with the smart device itself. The second item is to use a smart home system like SmartThings, Tuya, Smart Life, Apple HomeKit, Google Nest, Home Assistant, software suites like this. They go further, they go beyond the simple apps and provide a better level of support of professional routines and number of devices. The third option is to go for a very high number of devices on the bus, so to have your complete home smart inside your smart home, and that is the third level of category. I've made a comparison here. Let's zoom in, showing the capabilities and the limits of each of the three categories. For the first one, you can easily do local islands. That's very easy. It's immediately working, no problems. And you can go easily up to 10 devices. Beyond 10, it becomes difficult. You are not having a good overview. Administration of devices not so easy. And beyond 20, it doesn't really make sense anymore. Then you have the second level, B, where you use smart home systems. That is then more efficient, starting with kind of a break even around 10. Yeah, from 10 onward, a smart home system makes sense. And with that system, you could possibly go up to even 100 devices, even though the last meters here will not be easy. They are still limited in the features and the size. Why are they? The software is not made for a huge number of devices, and the logic and the routines inside, they are lacking maintenance features. So for example, if an old device fails and you replace it by a different new device, to integrate the new device into your system, make the routines work again, that will be some hassle, which is not obvious. So starting from a certain some dozens of devices, category C comes into play, where you use a professional software and you need a bus system to link your high number of devices. Such a bus system can be the KNX bus, for example. There are different systems available on the market. The main item is here that all the devices are hardwire connected with a bus sharing information. So no Bluetooth, no Wi-Fi, no batteries. And this bus system has a high capability to support a high number of devices. In my smart home, for example, I have roughly 400 sensors and actuators, so I'm somewhere here in that range. So these are the three categories. You see a main criteria is the number of devices, and another one is the effort and the sophistication of the smart home which you can get. Let's go back. For the further text of my wiki, and as usual, you find the address below the video. I will not read all the text, most of that I informed you already. For the conventional and bus system installation, some consideration. Of course, the highest number of apartments and houses and flats have a conventional electric installation and no bus system. For those, the category B is most likely the best choice. So use Apple HomeKit, Google Nest, Home Assistant, and keep the number of devices limited somewhere below 100. Yeah. So for these homes, that is the best choice. And if you have a KNX bus or a similar bus system from some company, then you will make your smart home be based on that bus system.
So that's a different situation. And then you need to check what software options you have. In my case, with the KNX bus, I found it extremely simple to connect to Raspberry Pi and make the software myself. So that's about the conclusion. In case you are building or redecorating your home, I strongly recommend, in case you want a professional smart home, strongly recommend to use a bus system for the electric installation. I also have here some more information comparing the conventional and the bus electric installations, so you get a better understanding what we are talking about. In case you are curious about my wiki, it covers a lot of other elements and pages and information. You find the address below the video and in my channel. Thank you for listening. See you. Bye bye.